in this 21st century, we are largely consuming a lot of services, digital services. A lot of data we offer to these service providers, and a lot of these data are being misused. Our personal data is processed, and we see advertisements accordingly, and our decisions are driven by these manipulators, if we can say so, from the internet, from the service provider sector. Now, for this, it is very important that we take decisions, we have that privacy, our data is private, and we take conscious decisions, autonomous decisions, and not driven by influencers within the service providers, digital service provider. And in this context, we have seen 4 years ago how European Union provided for general data privacy rules, and that helped us to safeguard our privacy in terms of data protection and in terms of availing information, filtering information from the service providers, and protected our data categorically. Now, in addition to this, recent edition of DSA, the Digital Services Act, passed within the European Union Parliament, has taken it to the next level in terms of protecting the data of EU citizens. Now, the citizens, the people within EU will have complete autonomy in terms of taking decisions, whether they want to allow their data to be processed, and accordingly they see the advertisements or their decisions being driven by their data through the artificial intelligence within the ecosystem of digital service providers. So such decisions, without their consent, they will not be allowing the service providers to use their data, to process their data, to create features in front of them and attract them to those. So their decisions will be autonomous, and that privacy and that level of autonomy is very important, and that's our right, natural right. And this, in this 21st century, in the age of big data, the data is very important and need to be protected, and our decisions, our mind needs to be autonomous in this context. And if we look at India, India is also struggling to come up with some good legal ecosystem to protect the data, and discussions are there, but are we reaching to that level? But definitely we have an excellent benchmark to study and learn from that and put that in the Indian space as well. Thank you.